Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Naren and I'm from Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering. Today I'm going to tell about lathe, the art of wood turning on lathe. Explore the intricate craft of wood turning on a lathe, where skilled artists transform raw wood into stunning work of art. From creating classic table legs to crafting decorative bowls, possibilities are endless. Tools of the trade: chisel essential for shaping the detailing and the woodwork. Capillaries used to measure the ensure precision in turning. Faceplate surely holds the wood in place during turning. Step by step wood turning process. Selection: choose the type of wood and size for the project. Mountings: secure the wood on the lathe using chuck and faceplate. Turn, turning: gradually shape the wood using lathe tools. Distinct wood turning techniques: segmented turning, creating intricate patterns by pressing together different wood segment. Thread chasing, crafting unequal threads design using special wood turning techniques. Wood turning style around the world: European style, influenced by classic design and precision craftsmanship. American style, focused on artistic wood turning from surface textures. Asian style emphasizes the delicate detailed woodwork and reflects fitness. Type of wood for turning: maple offers smooth gradient wood, perfect initiate design. Walnut, rich dark wood, ideal for creating elegant turned pieces. Cherry has fine even texture, conducive to beautiful fitness. Importance of safety measure: when wood turning on a lathe is crucial to wear protective gear as goggles and face shield. Additionally, ensure the lathe speed appropriate for wood being turned, and always maintain clean, well organized workspace to prevent accident. Versatile application for wood turns: artistical establishment, environmental impact, and sustainability. Wood turns prioritize sustainability. Secured wood ensure minimal impact on the environment. Many artists adopt eco-friendly practices to save wood, trees, response wood uh, from old furniture. Thank you.